Welcome back to Encrypt D3crypt. We're gonna start already. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Let's just get into it. But before we start, I just need to say, subscribe and help us reach 1,000 subscribers because we're gonna do a mini giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. All right, so make sure you tell your friends, your family, tell everybody that you know, so they be able to get this free stuff. Okay, so they be able to get that technology, get that Amazon Echo, that Google Home. All right. Let's just get into the video because I'm about to get too excited. Okay, so we're gonna do dread doors because I think the last time I stopped was the second commit maze. So we're gonna do dread doors. All right, so honestly, we got 160. So what do y'all want? I mean, we can get a shield, but that's not gonna make me look cool. We can get glasses that give us range, but I don't want that. Ooh, nope. All right, nope, we don't have enough. All right, forget it. We're just gonna play. We're gonna save up to get that so we can get some more health because we're weak. All right. So you can use while truth loops with any method like, attack or move right. So technically how you actually want your character to do something, whatever you want that character to do, the true function will make it, keep happening. It will make your character do it without you having to type it multiple times. All right. So let's just start the level because this seems easy. Let's go. All right. So we're going to do while true, not wheel true, while true. Oh my gosh, I can't type. While true, and then we're gonna do loop, and then we're gonna, oh my gosh. all right, we're gonna type that in one more time. Let's see, is it while true? I did type that in. Okay, so we got a while true function. All right, so we're gonna tap the door. So we're gonna have him tap the door, and we're gonna put in parentheses door, cause that's the name of it. If we don't put the name of it, how he's gonna hit the door? He got a full-on score, but he hit nothing. Like that don't make no sense. Okay. Then after that, we're gonna have him. Do we have to? Okay, let's see. Oh, just destroy the door. That's all we need to do. So let's run it. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, he destroyed the door. Hope he gets that pet. I hope he gets the M because I need a pet right now. Because I'm not feeling swinging that sword with my arm. I get tired now. I get tired. I want to. Okay, let me calm down because last time before this, if you haven't seen the video before, we have a rough time finding the ogre for this level right here, the prisoner. It was a rough time. Okay, so don't judge me. Don't judge me now. Now, we're going to see if we can get this pet. Oh, man, we got to subscribe too. Okay, so we're going to play again. We're going to try this hack and dash. Never mind. All right, so escape the trap. Ooh. There's danger in the air. You need to escape from the dungeon. But why not check that chest before you go? Use a tag to open the chest. Then use a wild loop to escape. All right, I use it to escape. I do not see any actual traps. So, oh, there it is. It's down here. Never mind. All right, we're gonna start. We're gonna start. Let me just focus on what to actually do. So we're gonna type in hero.attack right under this third line of code or the third line right here where it give me a comment. We're gonna put in parentheses chest so we can actually attack the chest and give me whatever is inside of it because we ain't no stealers. All right, then we're gonna return back to the actual hallway and we're gonna type in hero dot move down so we can actually return to the hallway, and then we're gonna close that off. And then after that, he's gonna move 3 times to the right, and I think it's gonna be repeated. So we're gonna see what happens. This is not my actual one that I wanted to do, but we're gonna see what happens. He attacks the chest. He ain't getting nothing from it. He said, I feel faster, boy. You ain't running faster. You got them slow legs. You better start running. See, you over there talking about, oh my gosh. All right, so We're gonna do this one more time. Okay, so we're gonna do this one more time, and we actually gotta put hero dot move down when he actually does that. We're gonna have him move down, what, 4 times or 3 times? 3 times? Y'all say 3 times? 3 times? Okay. Ooh, 3 times. Hurry up before you die. Run, run. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna run it again. Oh no, he went right past it. Why you not start right here? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. We gotta attack the chest, and then put in parentheses chest, so it actually attack it. And then after that, we're gonna put down here. We're gonna put hero dot move down. Move down, not move nothing. So then after that, when he moves down, then he can move right 3 more times. Ooh. So he's gonna go and move right. So he's gonna be like hero dot move. I don't know if I gotta type all this, honestly. I thought he was gonna repeat it, but it didn't repeat it. So I don't know what it's gonna do. All right, so we're gonna put that. We're gonna put 3 times, and we're gonna see what happens. See, he's running. Oh, look at him. Oh, okay. He feels faster. He's not run fast. You see how he's strolling? He's just strolling. He's like, yeah, I'm good. There ain't no danger over here. Look at him strolling casually with his little baby sword. No, you supposed to go down. What? You supposed to go down. What was, huh? You supposed to go down, not up. All right, copy that. We're gonna put that. We're gonna make another one. We're gonna put that right here, and I'm gonna paste that. And see, this might gonna take a while, so we're just gonna do one more jump cut. Okay, let me just do a jump cut in this video. Okay, don't worry, you're gonna learn how to actually do this. Okay, we're gonna jump cut right now. Well, welcome back from the jump cut. I'm probably seeing a while, right? So we actually beat it. I don't know about the while true function, because I thought it would repeat the actual code, but it might. This is Python, so it's easy, but it's just kind of confusing if you haven't actually did it before. So let me see if I can explain it. So at the beginning, the code's gonna run down these 13 lines of code, but the hashtags aren't lines of code. Okay, those are just comments in the actual line, so don't worry about those. So it's gonna go down, read hero dot move right, and then it's gonna go down and read hero dot attack chest. So it's gonna move right, and then it's gonna go and attack the chest. So then when it attacks the chest, we're gonna move down. So when we move down, that's when the traps actually like move after us. So after that happens, we're gonna have the while true function, because we don't want to actually keep repeating the same code 100 more times. So we just put a while true function, so it can just loop it back. So it's gonna read the while true function, and then it's gonna read these codes under it: hero dot move right 3 times, hero dot move down, hero dot move right, hero dot move down. You already know. And then it's gonna loop it back around, and then we're gonna it's gonna make your hero just do the same. Gonna do the same code over again without you typing it. So that's how we did it. Now that was kind of decent. We're gonna do one more before I end the video. We're gonna do cupboard's kid guard. If it's not easy, we're just gonna end the video, and I'm gonna just do it in another one. You already know. All right, break open the cupboard on the 7th cupboard. Is that the actual mission? Like, okay. So we gotta actually, we gotta fight those mugs. We gotta fight those. Nope. Pause it. Nope. So this, if you want to see this, make sure you subscribe and make sure you share and like, and make sure you stay tuned for the next video, and so you can see how to actually beat these guys. Right now, no, I just ran right from a trap. I don't feel good. I need to go sit down. I need to lay down. My head's feeling light. Sorry, Alejandro. I mean, I gotta leave you, man. I gotta leave you. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.